This is Joe Zarzaur with another message from Zarzaur Law. About a year ago, maybe a little less than a year ago now, actually, about 9 months ago, the firm made the decision to hire a full-time medical doctor, a physician. And the reason we did that was we had a consulting arrangement with Dr. Malone for years before this, and it just seemed like we were using him as a consultant on both injury cases and other types of cases so much that it made more sense to bring him in the office. So I know that there's not a lot of, it's an expensive proposition, and fortunately it worked out for our firm. We were in a place where we could do this. We have hired a full-time medical doctor on staff who is physically located in the office with us every day. And the benefit to that, and Dr. Malone can elaborate a little bit on this, is that in our serious injury cases that may be a little more complex than a regular lawyer can decipher, it helps to have a board-certified internal medicine physician to review the chart, to help us enunciate for the insurance companies and for anybody else that's making our jury, for anybody else that's making a decision based on the medical information, what it is we're actually dealing with. Because even though we have the treating physician there that can help us, the treating physician has a full-time job treating patients. And so it helps to have a physician here that's dedicated to pursuing the legal interest of our injured clients. And that's really the role that Dr. Malone is playing for all of our cases, but specifically in this video, I wanted to talk about the injury cases. Dr. Malone, tell us a little bit about how you have, over the last 8, 9, 10 months, how you have, I guess it's closer to 11 months now, how you have helped the firm with the injury matter, separate and apart from the other cases, helped us form a more perfect package to present, whether we're presenting it at a trial, a mediation, or just to the insurance company in an insurance demand. Tell us how you've helped us do that.
Well, I think a big way is working with the paralegal team here, and then obviously with the group of attorneys, is sometimes translating, which is the simplest term I can come up with, what we hear from a client who is in the role of a patient when they're at the doctor's office, and they say, oh, hey, doctor, so-and-so says I need this. And, there's always something not really fully communicated. So then to look at the chart and try to connect those dots and explain to the paralegal team, or help to understand, or get journal entries or texts to really drive that point home to say, this is what this physician or this provider was describing to our client, their patient. And, is it related to this accident? Is this something that was a pre-existing condition, to help discern from that? And, many times I've seen, some of with the insurance back and forth, we're not quite sure if this is related to the accident. And I think that I've helped to kind of tweeze through that a little bit. And that's really been something that has been helpful to the clients primarily. That's the number one. And number two, to the paralegal team, to say, now I'm not lost. And now I understand, learn from this moving forward, so that the next time this comes up with the same provider, this is how this physician or their office operates, or same kind of injury or mechanism of injury. So I think that's kind of the role that I've played, and I've appreciated and really enjoyed that.
Right. And the other thing that I've noticed is that if it is that we need something from a doctor's office, or if we need something from the treating physician, and we have a physician here that's able to tell us exactly what we're looking for, as far as, well, is this diagnosis exactly what we need, or are we missing something? It helps to have a physician on staff that can enunciate that for us with the treating physician. So in every case that we work on, at some point in time, I've got to have a conversation with the treating physician. If I bring to that conversation, if necessary, if I bring to that conversation a board-certified internal medicine physician who's speaking the same lingo, if you will, as the treating physician, it helps us not only develop a better rapport with the treating physician, but it helps us get to the point of exactly what we're looking for in that particular conversation for that client. So as far as proving the case, you've been a wonderful help to the firm and the clients. And I just wanted to point out, for folks that are interested, or if you're looking for a law firm that that concentrates on personal injury work. All of our clients are injured or, heaven forbid, are the result of are dead because of somebody's negligence. And all of them have medical records. And so 100% of what we're working on involves medical records, which makes a physician on staff an unbelievable resource for us. And we appreciate you being available, Dr. Malone. If you have any other questions about how we handle Dr. Malone being here full-time in the office, he's just in another conference room right now shooting this video, you can find us on the web at zarzaurlaw.com, or you can always call us at 855-HIRE-JOE. Thank you.